Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are watching the next BLT and I do not mean the sandwich. Okay, so let's just get straight to it. Today I'm in a rush. I actually have exactly an hour to do this hairstyle. So today I'm gonna be doing patchwork twists with crochet. These are the packs that I'm gonna use. They're called Nala Tress by Janet Collection, and it does say passion twist on the pack as well, so yeah, just a heads up. And these ones are the 24-inch ones, so they are going to be crochet, and this is what the package looks like. And I bought 6 packs, but I don't think I'm going to use all of them. I always just get more just in case, you never know. And yeah, so this is what we're gonna be doing today. Okay, so this is one pack, and yeah, I'm just gonna go right into it. I'm gonna be doing my hair in this mirror because I can't necessarily do my hair without a mirror. So yeah, let's do it. Ooh. Okay, so this is how my hair turned out. I definitely love how lightweight the hair is. There's a lot of movement to the hair. It's nice and flowy, like it's not stiff or anything like that. I love how it feels on my edges. It does not pull on them. And I love the ends of this hair. They're like super cute. They're so nice and curly. And there's just so much you can do with this look. I can't wait to experiment, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love it as much as I do. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you learned something. Make sure you like this video, make sure you comment. I would love to hear your thoughts, and also don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Toodles!